My name is Chief Bashorun Olatunde Akoni, Bashorun of Osun-Osogbo land. This is another year, 2025, that by the grace of God Almighty, by Olodumare, Baba Kabiyesi will take us to the groove this year, by God's grace. And then we want to assure everyone that Osun-Osogbo Festival is one of the unique festivals in the world, whereby we welcome everyone as usual that comes all over the world. This is just to let you know that Osun-Osogbo Festival this year is a unique one, whereby the safety of our incoming brothers, sisters, friends all over the world, all those that love the culture, are welcome here in Osogbo. The safety of everyone is in the hand of God Almighty, and then we have all the able men and women that is in charge of security as usual. We have the Nigerian police force and all the other departments. We have the Nigerian Army, we have the Air Force, we have the DSS, we have the civil defense. We have all the apparatus of the civil of the Nigerian securities that is present on Osun-Osogbo, and all the events that's going on in the palace of Ataoja. You are all welcome to Osun-Osogbo. Osogbo happens to be a city that is deep in culture and tradition. So come and enjoy with us. The peace of the Lord will be with every one of us. Orí yeye Osun-Osogbo.